Panda, panda, panda. I got broads in Atlanta, just to lean the family. Credit cards in the scammers, hitting the licks in the van. Legacies, family, wait and see the.
This is the super blood moon of January 2018. And this is the Museum of Moon, an installation artwork by internationally famous British artist Luke Jerram. As part of the celebrations of UK-India Year of Culture and 70th anniversary of the British Council of India, Museum of the Moon will tour the length and breadth of the country during February 2018. At Kolkata, Victorial Memorial Hall, in collaboration with the British Council, presents the Museum of the Moon. Measuring 7 meters in diameter, the Moon features detailed NASA imagery of the lunar surface. At an approximate scale of 1:5 lakh, each centimeter of the internally lit spherical sculpture represents 5 kilometers of the Moon's surface.
Good evening. Thank you very much for joining us tonight. Dr. Sengupta, colleagues from the Victorial Memorial, honoured guests, dignitaries, friends, we are delighted that you are joining us as we launch and land the moon in Kolkata. It felt absolutely appropriate to us that we would bring this lunar spectacle to the home of Tagore. The moon is here to mark the last phase of the UK-India Year of Culture, which we've been taking around the country, a year in which we've tried to do three things. We've tried to celebrate the modern day relationship between our countries. We've tried to connect with young people, in particular, all over India, and connect them with young people in the UK. And we've tried to inspire them to build a relationship for the next 70 years. And I hope that tonight we do a little bit of that together. But the moon also marks the first phase in a year-long campaign that marks 70 years of the British Council in India. So my organisation is 70 years old this year, and we want to celebrate that. In those 70 years, we have been inspired by India every day. We've been inspired by its young people, its artists, its scientists, its museum directors. And we are taking that inspiration through all of our programming this year. So we hope that you will join us in our Inspired by India campaign. But most importantly tonight, I hope that you will enjoy this wonderful spectacle and take lots of selfies and hashtag Museum of the Moon and share the best lunar landing that we could make together. Thank you so much and have a wonderful evening.
There was also a musical concert to celebrate the arrival of Museum of the Moon, the city of joy, Kolkata.